In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Edit Shortcut Switch and look for Caffeine 1 in Unadded Ones. Hold it, drag it to the top and find the perfect place for it. Then let go back and tap on it. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, click on the same No Blue shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!